How to download without copyright music? Just click your channel in the corner and YouTube Studio. Then you go audio library. Then you see all free musics. If you want to download, you can see here download option. Or here just you can download. If you want to play, you can play here. So if you want the star mark, if you like this music, just click star mark and it will come the star mark here. So sound effect you can also here, you can also download. And if you want to mood, you can change the mood. Which mood you want, so angry, happy, and which one. If I click the happy, it will show in the all happy musics. But just click here, you can see here attribution not recurrent. This means you can download also this music, but attribution recurrent. If you click this and this one, you need to credit, it's not free. So that's it, use this method. If you use this method and copyright issue, it's not come.